In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a file in Xero quickly and easily. Whether you want to store receipts, attach documents for bookkeeping, or keep important records organized inside your accounting system, Xero makes it simple once you know where to go. I'll walk you through every step so you can follow along with confidence. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Xero account. Head over to xero.com and sign in using your credentials. Once you're inside your Xero dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your organization name displayed there. Go ahead and click on your organization name. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From that drop-down menu, select Files. This is where Xero allows you to store and manage documents directly within the platform. The Files section is extremely useful because it keeps your important paperwork connected to your accounting system, making it easier to access invoices, receipts, contracts, and other supporting documents whenever you need them. Once you're inside the Files area, look for the Upload Files button. You'll typically see it clearly displayed on the page. Click on Upload Files to begin adding your document. After clicking Upload Files, a file selection window will open on your computer. Now simply browse to the location where your file is saved. This could be in your Downloads folder, Desktop, Documents folder, or any other location on your computer. Select the file you want to upload, and then click Open. As soon as you click Open, Xero will begin uploading the file automatically. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the file appear in your Files list inside Xero. There's also an even faster method you can use. Instead of clicking Upload Files, you can simply drag and drop the file directly from your desktop or folder into the File section in Xero. Just click on the file on your computer, hold your mouse button down, drag it into the Xero Files window, and release it. Xero will automatically upload it for you. This drag and drop method is especially useful if you're uploading multiple documents quickly. After your file has been uploaded, you can click on it to preview it, rename it for better organization, or attach it to transactions such as bills or invoices. Keeping your files clearly named and organized will save you time later when searching for documents during reconciliations or audits. And that's it. That's exactly how you upload a file in Xero. Log in, click your organization name in the top left, select Files, click Upload Files, choose your file, and click Open, or simply drag and drop it into the window. It's a simple process once you know where everything is located. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Xero guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.